This ebook is designed specially for railway and SSC steno exams. A lot of contractions and advanced physiographies are used for speedy writing. For the convenience of students, this ebook is designed on A4 sheets and it is printable. We highly recommend you practice it thoroughly. You can collect the ebook from the link given in the description box below.
Cricket grew out of the many stick and ball games played in England 500 years ago. The word bat is an old English word that simply means stick or club. By the 17th century, cricket had evolved enough to be recognizable as a distinct game. Till the middle of the 18th century, bats were roughly the same shape as hockey sticks, curving outwards at the bottom. There was a simple reason for this. The ball was balled underarm along the ground, and the curve at the end of the bat gave the batsman the best chance of making contact. One of the peculiarities of cricket is that a test match can go on for 5 days and still end in a draw. No other modern team sport takes even half as much time to complete. A football match is generally over in an hour and a half. Even baseball completes 9 innings in less than half the time that it takes to play a limited overs match, the shortened version of modern cricket. Another curious characteristic of cricket is that the length of the pitch is specified 22 yards, but the size or shape of the ground is not. Most other team sports, such as hockey and football, lay down the dimensions of the playing area. Cricket does not. Grounds can be oval or nearly circular. A 6 at the Melbourne Cricket Ground needs to clear much more ground than it does at Firozshah Kotla in Delhi. There is a historical reason behind both these oddities. Cricket was the earliest modern team sport to be codified. The first written laws of cricket were drawn up in 1744. They stated, "The principals shall choose from amongst the gentlemen present 2 umpires who shall absolutely decide all disputes. The stumps must be 22 inches high and the bail across them 6 inches. The ball must be between 5 and 6 ounces, and the 2 sets of stumps 22 yards apart." The world's first cricket club was formed in Hambledon in the 1760, and the Melbourne Cricket Club was founded in 1787. During the 1760s and 70s, it became common to pitch the ball through the air rather than roll it along the ground. This change gave bowlers the options of length, deception through the air, plus increased pace. It also opened new possibilities for spin and swing. In response, batsmen who had to master timing and shot selection. One immediate result was the replacement of the curved bat with the straight one. The weight of the ball was limited to between 5.5 to 5 3/4 ounces, and the width of the bat to 4 inches. In 1774, first leg before law was published. Also around this time, a third stump became common. By 1780s, 3 days had become the length of a major match, and this year also saw the creation of the first 6-seam cricket ball.
If you have liked the video, hit the like button and consider subscribing.